The material master in SAP is the central data repository for all material specific information required by a company for logistic process such as procurement and production, inventory management and sales. Every material that an organization procures or manufactures or stores or sells has its own material master record in SAP, so containing detailed attributes and descriptions about the material, such as material number description, unit of measures and dimensions, pricings and classifications, and also valuation classes to determine the GL master. And so, purpose of the structure, the material master organization data into multiple use to support different departments. Okay, for example, purchase, inventory, management, accounting, and departments can enter and access the relevant information they need. So these are the views for the accounting, sales wise, and MRP purpose and warehouse purpose, everything purpose. We have one view, one or two views, so that we can maintain every department. They can maintain their information in their views. Okay, okay. So we have there is a lot of field information available in the SAP Material Master. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to go to the inside of the Material Master. You need to understand what exactly every field is. Okay. This much we can't explain. Okay. Okay then. So we have configuration of the material master. To create a material master, this all are requirement. So we have completed industry sector and the material type. So even though still we will try to understand what is the industry sector and the material type. So industry sector is a configure industry sector must be assigned for each material. So what type of industry it is? Either chemical industry. So SAP standardly given for the pharmaceutical industries, it is P. So for chemical industry, it is C. So industry sector is identify single digits. Okay, single digits key. So that could be either numeric, either alphabetic, whatever it is. Okay, that single digits. So already SAP provided some standards. So P means pharmaceutical industry, C means chemical, M means mechanical, A means plant engineering and construction. So by referring any one that you can take or you can select the new entries and you can create one. So we'll see we created or not. Okay, we'll go for the SPRO and SAP reference IMG and material master here where we can create it. Okay, logistics general. Okay, logistics general. 1 minute. Okay. Logistics. Yeah. Logistics execution. We need to go for only logistics general. Yeah, here it is. Logistics general, then material master, then field section, and define industry sectors and the industry sector related fields. We have already created what that is okay. GVK and their company shows. Okay, someone got removed it. Okay, anyhow, we'll create one more. Okay, that is not a problem for us. So here already the field reference is there, so that if you want to create by copying, select it and click on copy and create it. Otherwise, you can second option new entries. You can maintain one of industry sector and maintain description Uh, Manufacturing industry, VAYT, reference and ROH. Enter, save it. So previously we have created a material type. So this is our industry, and this is what description we have maintained. This is the field reference that controls the which field is required, which field is optional, which field is mandatory. Saprasa, whatever is okay. So here you can maintain field selection references. Okay. So we need to assign this field industry sector to material type. Assign field to field selection group maintaining like that. Okay. So now we have configured industry sector. Okay, we maintain industry sector and field reference we have taken existing one, and now material type. So it is just a classification of the material. So it is differentiating whether it is a finished goods, whether it is a raw material, whether it is a semi-finished product, like that. Okay. So a material type is a group of materials with similar attributes or same kind of material we will combine using material type. Okay. Understood this one? Ketra, did you understood?
Yes, Vijay.
Okay. So it's a simple that we are classifying materials using material type. So to configure, we'll go to the general logistics, material master, basic settings, and the material type, define attributes for material type. So so basic settings. We have already created material type, right? Okay, define attributes for material type. If it is available, we want to create again. So we'll keep same thing. Okay, VAYT. So there is a already created VAYT raw material type. Okay, so this is the raw material selection. So these are the views that we have already selected. These are the views. Accounting department purpose, we have selected accounting. So classification purpose, we have selected. MRP purpose, we have selected. So for MM and purchasing department related, we have selected. Like that, we have selected all the views. So this is the specific material types. So it is not a specific material type. So when we are combining multiple things into the single, so that we can create it as a specific special material type. Okay, so you can simply take as a reference is computer, so that it is a monitor and a keyboard, mouse, and everything is there, right? So we need to combine everything so that it is called as a specific material, so that we can create it. So classification, here we have selected a production type. So whether it is a, it will defines whether it is a material or services or subcontract subscription. So we are select it as a number one, so that it is a material. It's a refers to material. Okay. So we are allowing external purchases or not, internal purchases or not, like that. Okay, standard price. I'm taking currently for this particular material, I am taking standard price as a my price controlling option. Okay, this is the what exactly the requirement. Okay, so here we need to maintain so that valuation class updations. If it is not maintained, then while procuring the material, we will get the issue, because the quantity will update. Quantity update will update the quantity when we are issuing the inventory, when we are receiving the inventory, so that automatically it need to be update the quantity. So at the same time, value also. If we didn't select that options, then it won't update the values. Okay. Okay, whenever we got the error, So we will check it and we will update. Okay, that is not an issue. So we have one material type. So number range for each material type. So I think we assign number ranges for material type. Assign material type for the special created transaction. Okay. So maintain field selection. Assign fields to field selection. We maintain number range, I think. Yeah, material type. Yeah, right. Okay. Create semi or trader raw material. Okay. R or VA by T. So selection key allows an entry already existed. Okay. There is no need to create. Okay. This is not required to create. Okay. We'll see. So define number ranges for each material type. So I think we have maintained material type. Oh, oh, number ranges EZ, ZN. Yeah, ZN is our number range. So still no one used the same number range. We'll create. We'll we'll keep it as same. Okay. So assign field selection. Plus this is the field selection group. It is not required for now. Okay. So now other things that so we have completed this one. So other things that we need to understand is plant. So plant is an operational area or branch within a company. So plant will decide what is the value of the material. Okay. So we can set as a plant, we can set as a valuation area also. Okay. So to configure the plant, we need to go to the enterprise structure so that where we can configure the plant. So going to the enterprise structure, definition, logistics, define plant. Okay. So we are defining the plant. So that we have already maintained some VAYT. We maintain, we are not going to. Okay. So VA, oh, sorry, I'll take a Guntur. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Guntur plant. For VA. So further, we will select address and select company corporate group for office. So I'll select associate. Okay. It is associated with VA wide. Okay. So Guntur So, plant, okay, manufacturing, factory, and your PM. Okay. So search term you can make it as a search term means so to use find the plant. It is used for searching purpose. Okay, region India and region 01. Okay, sorry. Country is India and region 0. Okay, base next. We will click on right. Now you can save it. Okay. Now we have completed creation of the plan. Right? Assign plan to company code. Okay. Assign plan to company code. If you haven't assigned, so that you can't use the plant for the material creation or whatever it is. So and go to assign and go to logistics general and assign plant to company code. Click VIT and what is plant? GNCR manufacturing. So here you can able to see the description, right? That is why I am maintaining. So our company code at the end. Okay. So you can also see the search terms that I have used. So click and save. Okay. We have successfully saved it. So assign business area to plant. Here assign business area to plant and evaluation area and division. This is one of the most important thing. Okay, assign business area to plant. So click here and plant division, valuation area division and allocate of plant and valuation areas identical. We haven't created division. So this step now I'm not going to do now because so I have just mentioned there, but it is not going to do now. We need to create next step division. So we have division, distribution, warehouse, storage, division. This is plant. This is plant configuration and the storage locations and the sales organization, distribution channel, warehouse, storage, and purchase group. Okay, I think division. Yeah, I think division is missed. We'll maintain it. Storage. Okay. Definition, logistics, and the sales. So define plant, define valuation levels, define location. Point warehouse. Okay. So logistics, material, and sales and distribution. Here we can maintain distribution channel and division. Okay, we'll see. I think somewhere I missed it. Okay. So the division in SAP division configuration is part of the sales and distribution module and is used to segment and business into product lines or business areas. So what exactly division in SAP? So the division is one of the organizational unit in sales and distribution and also required for business area account assignments for logistics and financial accounting. The business so it defines different activities that allocation a division to one or more sales organization. A division is one or so allocate a division is one or more distribution channels. So this is what division is. Okay. Yeah. So a company specify attribute for the division category that is predefine the unities industries component. Like we have so in general, so there is a multiple divisions in our organization that is like hotel in the hotel division, like sales, like service division, like that. There is some kind like that we will call. Okay, we will maintain the division now. So define division. So here you can see auto parts or Apple product segments or whatever it is. So now I'm creating electronics. Okay, I'm creating our industries, manufacturing industry, so that I'll cover that. Okay, VJet. So harness, VA. So what is harness? Harness is a some kind of product that we are producing in our organization. So another one, VI. Okay, VI already is there. V0. It is okay. Okay. Uh, and V0 we will maintain cables. Cable latak. Yeah, it is. Who is saving. So this is our divisions newly created. 2 digits alphanumerical key. Okay. So after that, what we need to do? We need to assign division, business area, and what we need to maintain. So we need to assign to the plant. We will go to the logistics general and assign business area to plant and valuation area and division. Okay, now we'll assign. So here you need to understand allocation for plant and valuation area differs. If the valuation area and the plant is not same, then we need to do this. Okay, so now valuation, yes, for our case it is not the same, right? We are not maintain same valuation area. So we will click it and we will maintain VA. What is our plant? Sorry, GNTR. So GNTR is our plant and division V 0, and again we need to maintain G and TR, and our valuation division VZ. Business area. What is our business areas? G and HP purpose, okay, Tata Group purpose. Yeah. Okay, anyhow, we can use C and double zero. And here HY, this one we will use. So there is no restriction. What I have told you that business area is you can use any business area. It is not going to link with company code. Okay. Business area is not going to connect with the company code. So that there is no restriction to use any business area for cross company code purposes. Okay. So that GN, yeah. So I'll go to new entry again. Valuation area. So valuation. So valuation area, so that our valuation area, so that 1 minute. Think we need to create the valuation area and okay. Anyhow, so we maintain one. Okay. Now it is not required. So we have already maintained. Okay. What is the next step? We'll maintain valuation area at the FIMM integration. In that time also we will discuss about it. Okay. So we have completed. So division, now we'll configure the storage location as well. So where we need to maintain the storage location in the enterprise structure only, under enterprise structure only, we'll have definition. Under that we need to go to the storage location, not storage, logistics general only. So define location. This one. So material logistics. Okay, we'll go to this one. And enterprise structure definition, material management. Okay, material management here. And this one will maintain storage location. So what is our plant? So our plant is GN. GNTR is our plant. What is our plant? Yes. GNTR is our plant. So under particular plant, we need to maintain storage location. Why we are maintaining under plant? So what is the purpose of the under plant maintenance? Anyone? Chaitra? Under plant, why we will maintain storage location? I'll tell you. So now I started a bike selling unit. Okay. I am, let me take one screenshot. So let me take one bike selling Images screenshot. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. We'll see that what it is. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe before going. And for real time, just call us.